Hello. So recently I was going through the Docker documentation. I saw a new command, Docker image build. So it made me think like there is also a Docker build command. So what is the difference? So let's see the difference. Now Docker build versus Docker image build. Now it is saying they are exactly the same. Docker build was the original command, but later on all the image manipulation commands were moved under the Docker, right? So here also it is saying ki docker build command is used to build a docker image from a docker file, and the docker image build command is an alias for the docker build command, right? So let's also go into this and see that they are exactly the same. Docker build was the original command and it was moved on a docker image subcommand. The originals were preserved for compatibility, right? So and there was something else I saw on this side. See, when you use the command docker build followed by docker file, it will build a new image using the instructions on the docker file. And when you use docker image build followed by name of image, it refers to building the image from a docker file located in the current directory. Docker build is more commonly used as it can also build the image from a docker file in the current directory, right? So docker build, docker image builder are both the same things, and I went to my project and I saw what command I was using. So there I was using docker build to build an image, right? So yep, docker build is the command to use. Docker build is the command to use. Okay.